Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about what is WPS system. So WPS system is wages protection system. It is a law for companies, especially in Gulf countries like Qatar or maybe Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, to have a WPS enabled in your company for electronic transfer of its employee in first week of new salary month. So when you have to pay your employee, you have to pay via WPS system. So WPS system is kind of a system which is used for making salaries for your employees, all the employees in your company, and doing that in the first week of every month. This is a law of the government here in Qatar, in United Arab Emirates, and other Gulf countries, and I'm sure it would be in other countries, other places, other continent like European countries. So why it is important? So WP is important because it is a kind of law that you have to follow. So if you are not following this law, that might be possible that your company would be in little kind of trouble, because the government is tracking the record that which company are transferring the salaries of its employees, the laborers or not. So it is basically the protection of the laborers, so have so that the salaries are not being dropped, the salaries are not being deducted, and everything is being tracked and everything is done digitally. It is everything is recorded electronically. So for the government also, it is easy for tracking which company is maintaining the maintaining their employees, and their salaries are being given on time, because everybody is working. So it's right for the laborers to, or the employees to get the salary on time. So it might be in past happened that the salaries were not being transferred on time, and it might be possible that the salaries were not given to the employees. So I'm sure that is the reason the WPS has been made mandatory in the companies. So how to implement this WPS? So basically your bank will give you a form for WPS which you have to fill and submit, and your WPS will be enabled. So your company will be having your commercial account, which would be which will be monitored by your banking relationship manager or any other person. So that person has to contact the bank, and the bank will enable WPS system. But bank are only helping till enabling, but making the salaries, doing the transfer, it's altogether different process, and you have to follow the process on the monthly basis. For that you have to make a SIF file. So the next slide I'm going to tell you about what exactly is SIF file. So okay. Okay, this is the part. So you will have to make a SIF file, salary information file, and submit it in your bank within first week to process salaries, and this file has to be created in a CD. So that CD you have to create, and you have to submit that SIF file to your bank, and then the bank will debit the salaries. So let me okay, so what does the SIF file contain? It contains your company information, your company details like your CR, your payer IBAN number, total number of employees, what is the salary, the account number of the employees, what would be the debit date, everything. So how you have to create this? So in this video I will show you how to make SIF salary information file. This file you have to get that validated from a SIF validator tool. So this is very important. This tool, your bank will say that the file you give is not validated. So how you can check the file is validated or not? So for that you need a SIF validate tool, which I am going to show you. So this is very important. So I'll get you through the video so that you can see. Okay, so let us go. Now what I'll do is I'll show you what exactly is SIF file. So this is the SIF file. This is the employee ID. Okay, file creation date, file time when the file was created, payer ID means the ID of your company, PRQ ID, Qatar ID, short name of the bank, IBAN number of the account, salary month. This is like 2019 in January, total salaries. I'm just giving a record for one person. Total number of record is how many employees are there, and here the information of the person. Record 1, that means serial number 1, employee ID, employee visa ID, name Mr. Muhammad, his bank, your employee bank, his account number, what is the salary frequency is monthly, number of working days. January has 30 or 31 days, whatever. Net salary, basic salary, like this. You have to give all these details. Now when you have done this, now you have to go for this, what I told you, SIF client validation tool. So this tool is very important. This is a tool which is used to check the validity of your file. So I'll open this file. So the wages protection system. So you have to browse the file. Where is my file? My file is over here. Now I'll check and validate. This file does not have any error. That means the file is okay, and you can save this file on CD, and then you can submit the file to your bank. So you can see over here, you can see the error code 3, error description, the file cannot be passed. If I show you another file, if you see this file, this is error free file. So I'll validate. So the file does not have any error. So this is the file which you have to make for submitting in the bank and processing your WPS. Apart from this, there is one more it's not a file, it's a letter which you have to submit in your bank. This letter is WPS salary debit authority letter for that particular month. That it's right now it's January. So let me show you this. Okay, so on your company letterhead you have to make this letter, and you have to submit this along with your WPS file in CD. So that's all which you have to do. Basically you have to prepare these two files, this file as a file and WPS file. So these are the main things which you have to do for creating. So file created and valid. So I'm sure you have an idea what exactly is WPS file and how it is done. And so if you have any issues, if you have any comments, you can just let me know. You can mail me demo id for work101@gmail.com, or you can comment down in this video also. And also if you want me to help you to make a WPS file, so which will be arrow free and which you can submit in your bank, I'll make a valid file for you and submit. I'll give to you that file, and that will be little chargeable, because you know that's this basically it's a very tedious job for validating the file. So if you want me to help, you can just drop a comment. You can write down your email ID, I'll reply you on that email ID, or you can give your mobile number, I can give you a call, or we can talk on WhatsApp also, or you can directly drop me an email on this Gmail address. So thank you guys, hope you like the video, and if you have any suggestions or if you have any things you want to discuss regarding the WPS, you can drop an email. You surely can have a good discussion about it.